What's up, guys? It is time to unbox this bad boy right here. And you know what, guys? You guys are gonna be part of the unboxing. Woo! Alright. Let's put you guys over here. Hopefully this is a good vantage point. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Alright, guys. Here it goes, guys. Here it goes. This is all raw, guys. All raw action. Okay. Okay, I think that's good right there. Alright, guys, I'm gonna unbox this ion speaker. Got my trusty knife. So let's do it. Unboxing, guys. Like right here. Right. Okay. Right, there you go. This looks like the stand. Stand right here. Okay. Oh, there's some stuff in here. Check this out. Oh. Oh. Let's keep all this. Okay, what's this? Just like the power cords and all that. I hope it comes with a microphone, guys. I think it does. Let's see. Oh, yes! One microphone. Good. Anything else in here? I think that's it. Mosquitoes are getting me now. Let's put this back. Here it is, guys. Okay, let's put this to the side. Raw, guys. Raw action. Wow! It's pretty big. Ooh, really nice. This thing looks really nice, guys. Oh, it has wheels, guys. Oh, look at that.
What she?
Yeah. It has a rolling thing too.
Wow.
Look at that. I didn't know that.
So cool.
Hold on, let me adjust the aperture here. Look at that, guys. That has some wheels. You can wheel it off. Whoa, this is awesome, guys. Look at those wheels that it comes with. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this thing is awesome. Look at all this. Holy camole. What is all, oh my god, look at that. Okay, looks like you can insert your SD card there and play whatever music is on there. And this is FM, BT, I don't know what BT stands for, and then USB. Wow, look at this. Ooh, holy camole, this thing is awesome. Look at that, guys, really nice. Okay, so I guess this is the stand, so I'm gonna put this together, but let me show you guys what it comes with. This is probably for the microphone right there, the power remote, and this is the microphone. It comes with it. Let's see. Holy moly, look at that, guys. Looks like a, well, it's pretty solid. Pretty, not that heavy, guys. Here you go, some literature. Right there, okay. Alright, dynamic microphone. Okay, so let me unbox the stand and then I'll show you guys how it looks like. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, so let's put that down there for now. So yeah, this is the stand that it comes with. Check it out. I don't know what, to be honest, I have no idea what these are. Oh my god, it has like really small, oh no, that's a staple. But yeah, check that out guys. I don't know what that is. But I knew it came on a stand because look at the box there. But yeah, pretty solid guys. Pretty solid. Oh! There's Mr. Isaac. Isaac's in the house. Watch out, Isaac. My knife is right there. Alright, let me put it together guys. Alright guys, this is how it looks like on the stand. So it has these tighteners, and this is included right here. I figured it out. It's like a safety mechanism that you put in there so it doesn't just slide down, you know what I mean? There he goes, this one also. And then inserts on the bottom here, and then you have this tightener also, which there's like a screw that goes in there to make sure this doesn't fall. But yeah, look, these handles are sturdy. I'm just totally tripped out on this thing, and you can, looks like you can turn it. Oh, I guess not too much there. But yeah, check that out guys. This is awesome guys. This is totally awesome. It looks like it has so many features that it's just gonna trip people out. Okay, it's off. I wonder if it can just turn it on. I wonder if it has a battery. Okay, let's put the microphone. Okay, one moment. Alright, so I took out the remote. Wow, check out the remote guys. Really nice. Okay, so I connected the microphone right over there, mic 1. Well, let's give that a try. I'm gonna plug in the power and see how it goes. One thing I already dislike is, check how short the power cord is guys. That's like, it's not even 5 feet.
So chunky.
What's that?
Hey, don't scream.
Oh, look at the thing. Put it for Isaac. See, look at the thing when RJ does. He did ASMR.
Boo.
Oh yeah.
Go.
Oh, louder. Sing louder.
If you
You know how to read?